Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 67, Quranic verses, encouraging those in authority to adopt righteous counselors. Those who are intimate friends in the world will be enemies one to another on that day, except the Allah-revering, pious. Az-Zukhruf 43:67. Hadith number 355, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Arqam 42, Qadar 8. Abu Sa'id and Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with them, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Allah did not send a prophet nor appoint a caliph without him having two counselors, one counselor commanding the right and encouraging it, and one counselor commanding the wrong and encouraging it. The one protected is the one that Allah protects. Hadith number 356, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Imara 4. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, when Allah desires good for the Amir, He gives him a truthful wazir, vizier. If he forgets, He reminds him. If he remembers, He helps him. If he desires other than that for him, He gives him a bad wazir. If he forgets, He does not remind him. And if he remembers, He does not help him.